This is part 2 of Bornang Park. We are now at the lake. We have this boat. We paddle the boat at the middle of the lake, and I have my captain of the ship busy eating. So look at that one. It's really nice here. So just want to share this video, and if you want to come to Baguio, just don't miss to be in the middle of the lake. Look at this one. There's a swan. That swan is equipped with a bicycle type paddles, and we are using these conventional paddles just to moving around the lake, and actually we are circling around. We don't have any direction, and we are moving far. So look at that one. The problem here is how to go back to where we are. So I don't know. We can bring this back, this boat to the other side. We are now on the other side of the lake. So people are enjoying this one. They are just like us, tourists. So there are different type of boats. There's a swan. I don't know this. So we're here. Say hi to our
Hi
guests.
everyone.
Okay. Look at this. The flowers of the trees. Very nice here. There are a lot of swan on the other side. This is only a short video. Actually, this is the first time self-paddling this boat. I don't know how to really hold this little thing on the exact direction. Okay, thank you. To cut off this video.